Hi everybody. Well, about a month and a half ago, I put a MORryde Latch Extender on our trailer. I actually bought it in October of last year at the Alpine rally, but then I didn't put it on the trailer until January. I was just kind of being lazy because didn't really know, it was kind of in my brain I was thinking, the jury's still out on this thing. But I want you to see what it looks like now. I've got pictures of, Beth took a short little video for before and then after, right after I did it. But I want to show you what it looks like on the door, and I have to tell you, after I've been using it for a month and a half, I've really come to like it.
Before and after, looks great.
So here is the latch extender. The only complaint that I have is that when I used to lock the door, I'd come in this way with my right hand to do it. So can no longer lock the door with my right hand. I have to use my left hand. If I'm using a key, got to use my left hand to access it. That is my only complaint about this. It's nice to be able, right now I'm standing on the ground and I can reach up and open the door with no problem at all. On the inside, this is all you see is right there, that little mat, that little thing. And you've got 3 holes that you got to drill in order to put that plate on the inside. You measure everything first. When you do it, you have to make sure that you have a flat surface on your handle. In order for this, there's a set screw that holds it on here. And this thing has been working like a charm. So we are very pleased with our MORryde Latch Extender. So real simple little upgrade. Anybody can do it. If you can drill a hole, you can do this. You just gotta take a couple measurements beforehand and make sure you get it right. But it works great. Well, hope you enjoyed this quick little review of the latch extender from MORryde. Like I said, we purchased it last October. I installed it at the end of January, and it's now the middle of March, and we've been using it every day, and we really enjoy it. It does a great job. It makes accessing the door much, much easier, and I know particularly my grandkids are gonna like it a lot better this coming summer when we have grandkids camp. So we will see you around a campfire, everybody. Bye.